What do cats call a nice meal? What do they call a nice meal? A fancy feast.
What do you call an alligator in a crime scene? An investigator.
Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the road? Because it was getting stuck in the cracks.
A fancy feast.
Bourbon, I have a joke for you. Okay. What's a cat's favorite dessert? Do you want to guess? No. Bourbon. Did you hear it though? What's a cat's favorite dessert? A mice cream cone. Fancy feast.
Hi, Ollie. Want to hear a joke? What do you call a pile of cats? A meowton.
What the dog doing?
What are you doing?
It's slippery. Oh no.
Is your food bowl empty? He's never seen a man do the dishes in so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Henry. Ow. You're being mean.
You can't do this anywhere else? Max.
And I'm gonna go lay back down. Do not attack me. Sonny, please.
Mila! Mila! Quit!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Is that okay to pet you right here? Not right here, though? Okay, all right, all right.
She's happy. Look, she's happy.
Shut up. Got some right here. You got some right here.
Good girl.
Do-do-do-do. What doing?
Right.
What happened? Oh my goodness!
Yeah, I saw on the chandelier and it brought the roof down.
Did they check you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they said you could.
Beep 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 beep. Beep.
You're mad this morning, yeah?
איפה החלב? איפה החלב? לא, עכשיו לי חלב לקורנפלקס! אני גם כועס!